The way it's put in and the skill of the person putting it in and the know-how of the person putting it in has a lot more to do with how it's going to perform, how it's going to hold up for you than maybe the the brand or the efficiency or anything like that.
The average guy like me says, get the biggest, coldest thing I can stick on the house, and I may have created a size issue where I oversized.
Correct. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure that the system you're getting is matched to the house. We do what's called a manual J load calculation. It used to be paper when I started in this industry. It would take an hour to do. Today it's all computerized. It runs in minutes, but it basically looks at the house and sizes the air conditioner. And yes, some people think, well, I want it super cold, so I want a big air conditioner. And there is something to that in that when you in the manual J calculation, you put in the temperature you want to achieve. But you don't want to just go big just for the sake of going big, because you can actually create other problems.